Hello friends, peace be upon you. Guys, if we want to stretch an image, we increase the canvas size here. Instead of image width 2000, we do 3000. So, that's how our canvas size got bigger. By pressing Ctrl+T if we want to stretch image. Ctrl+T is the keyboard shortcut for the free transform command. And if you stretch, the image will not stretch properly. I undo by pressing Ctrl+Z. Go to Edit, Content Aware Scale. Content Aware Scale helps you resize an image while preserving key elements like subjects. Now if we stretch the image will start to stretch. So, start stretching the image. But, even then it has a limit. After this limit, the shape of our object will start to distort. So, do something to keep our object protected. And, the image should also be stretched. So, let's see what that method is. Pick Lasso tool. Lasso tool used to draw freehand or semi-freehand outlines around objects in an image. So, make a rough selection of the object. Because we have to protect the subject. So, make a rough selection of object. After making the selection, open the channels. Channels refer to the grayscale representations of the color information within an image. So create a new channel here. A channel will be created under the name Alpha 1. Alpha channel is a grayscale channel that stores a selection as a mask. Come back to Layers panel and press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now go to Edit, Content Aware Scale. It is None in Protect. Select Alpha 1 here. Then start stretching the image. You will see that your subject is protected. And stretch the up image as much as you want. But the subject will remain protected. In this way we can stretch the images. This is a tip or a trick. This is a working technique for different images. Another tip is if you want to add extra shine to the eyes of an image. For this, first create a blank layer. Blank layer is an empty layer in the Layers panel that has no visual content. Make sure your foreground color is white. Then pick Brush tool. Brush tool allows users to paint and draw on layers using a variety of brush types and settings. Opacity is 100% and flow is 100%. Smoothing is 10. Pick Soft Round Brush. Soft round brush used for creating soft, feathered edges and blending colors. Adjust brush size accordingly. And paint on the eye opposite the light source. Keep painting. You can delete from the middle by pressing the tilde key. Tilde is a typographical symbol that resembles a wavy line. In the same way, we will apply a stroke on the other eye as well. Press the tilde key and delete from the middle. And we will paint on the light source area. In the same way, paint on the other eye as well. And we will delete the extras. Change blend mode to overlay. Overlay blend mode darkens areas darker than 50% gray. And brightens areas lighter than 50% gray. Reduce opacity to 60%. Opacity controls how transparent or opaque a layer is. Then look up before and after. There is a spark in the eyes. Can create an extra shine in the eyes. Can make eyes sparkling. You can adjust the opacity according to your image. These were 2 such tips that you must have liked. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.